Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Kentcarmedia. Today we're fitting a super rare spoiler to Rob's MX5.
It's cost a fortune. You see how it looks first? Just masking places.
This is the spoiler in question. It's a MazdaSpeed genuine spoiler. These go for around about 700 quid on eBay. We picked this one up recently and Rob has lovingly painted it.
I think it sits about there. Like that, I think.
Let's get a nice shot of it from behind. Obviously, without the masking tape, I think it'll look pretty cool. So, what Rob's done is he's made a little template out of masking tape. Very, very bodged. Measured out both sides. And now what do we do?
Full send drill mode.
Yeah.
I was quite lucky where someone sent me some pictures on a forum, and so I have around about an idea of where it is going.
Way! Smells a lot. Oh, there's one. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for this spoiler?
I'm going to be 10 out of 10 excited if it's on straight, and if I don't somehow scratch it, because I don't want to paint anything again.
Main meat of the sandwich.
Right, lift it back off. We'll go back and take that off.
So, what's happened? Rob's drilled in the wrong place.
No, not completely.
He's about a millimetre out. There's tolerances.
It's come this way, doesn't it?
I wish I could do stuff on my car. I haven't got an MOT.
So you see what I've come for? Two-tone, white brackets, very nice. Body coloured blade, needs machine polish.
Looks pretty good though.
Does look pretty good, thanks Fraser.
Yeah.
Does add a lot of weight to this.
But it's worth it for the sick look.
Yeah, I'm not going to lie, not sure. I mean, this is adjustable and this is the most aggressive, which to me looks like it should be its normal position. You're any further back than that, you'd just be sloping backwards, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I don't quite know why that's... Looks sick though. So what I might do is maybe make another bracket step up a little bit more, but looking good. So I'm just give it a machine polish.
So guys, hope you like that video. I think we like the spoiler very much. It's a great addition to the car, even if it did cost £700.
Well, no, I paid £450.
Oh, you paid £450?
Yeah.
What a bargain!
And then the brackets cost £200 to paint. And then I painted the blade myself in the unit here with my own spray gun with 2K paint, which I now know I shouldn't paint with because I'm going to die.
So remember to like and subscribe if you want to keep up with Rob's
Health
treatment. And make sure to subscribe because we're still running the giveaway. When we hit 200 subs, we'll be giving away a Sam's Detailing Kit sample box thing. All the products we use to clean our cars.